big words, grave concerns, and self-righteous indignation from the Spanish Social Democrats and other colleagues here. But colleagues, this is not a new threat. Spain has Vox now, yes, but Vox had Spain long before even it existed. Vox had judges, also in the Constitutional Court, long before it had any elected representative. Vox controls the police, the military, and the judiciary. And no wonder, honestly, the King of Spain was appointed by his corrupt fugitive father, who in turn got the crown from Franco. Spain's chain of legitimacy dates back to 1939 fascist victory, the only extreme right victory in Europe that never got overturned. Yet authorities in the EU speak of Spain's model transition to democracy and shallow abuses of human rights with a straight face. When it comes to Catalonia, all Spanish authorities subscribe to the agenda of the extreme right. And as long as Brussels protects them, you are complicit in advancing the political testament dictated by Franco in his deathbed. Thank you very much.